When I stepped into the streets of this neighborhood, I felt like I was transplanted into a different time and space. Hello. Hey. I have to say, it really felt so surreal just walking among all those families who lived and played with their children. Like it's just like I was in the middle of my own National Geographic video. Kind of like I was just shooting it myself right there at the scene. This place could not have been any more different from where I grew up, but I still remember fond memories of walking around the streets of New York City and just how different this place really is. One thing that's worth mentioning is that it was just 1 week since I arrived to Manila. Later on, I was told that this neighborhood can actually be a very dangerous place to be. From the looks of it though, and from the way that I was being greeted by so many people and all the children that I passed by, I felt really safe. As vigilant as I tried to be, I did not see any hoodlums that were skulking about and getting ready to make a move on me. All I could feel is how warmly I was being greeted by all those that I passed by. At the same time though, I guess it probably wouldn't be the best tourist destination that I can consider. I definitely realized that I was going completely in a different direction from where I had to go, but because this neighborhood was just so fascinating to explore, I really didn't mind. The interesting thing is that this is a weekday and these are clearly school-age kids, so I wonder, do they even go to school at all? These kids are probably thinking, what is this hairy white man doing in our neighborhood? These kids here were all high-fiving me just as I was passing by them. Since these streets have a maze-like pattern, I had to take my opportunity to get back on the main road. As much as I felt like staying to explore the neighborhood some more, I knew that I was getting way off track and had to get back on course. Well, I hope you enjoyed this part 3 of my walking tour of Manila, my new home. So stay tuned for the remaining portions of the urban hike and keep an eye out for my channel because there are many more exciting videos I have in store.